I'm Dr. Nicole Reiner, and today we're talking about tone and pitch. Developing a clear, focused tone is every flutist's goal, and it all comes down to three things: airspeed, oral cavity, and air direction. I've encouraged you to practice breathing gym exercises in previous videos, and I still do. Playing the flute requires you to use a large volume of air at a fast speed. We won't really ever slow down that air, and the head joint offers no resistance. So it's kind of like you're blowing out a candle all the time in terms of airspeed, but like a lot of candles. In my very first video, I described neutral flute phase, which included keeping your jaw a little slack, your tongue down, and your throat relaxed. By doing this, you're making the inside of your mouth or your oral cavity as big as it can be, and that helps improve your tone. You can think of your mouth as your own built-in auditorium. More space means livelier acoustics. If I clench my jaw, raise my tongue, or tighten my throat, that auditorium gets crowded, and that makes for a tighter and also a less focused sound. In video number 1, I also showed you how to change air direction by blowing up and down on your hand. Then in video number 2, we used those changes to jump octaves. These are both worth reviewing if you need to. Every note lives somewhere on your head joint, and if you're blowing in mostly the right place for the pitch you're fingering, but it's airy, then you just need to keep tweaking your placement until it's focused. It's not going to be as drastic of a movement as when we played octaves, but a tiny change can make a big difference in quality. In the following examples, notice how both tone quality and pitch are affected if I haven't quite hit my sweet spot. If you're practicing and everything seems a bit off, the first things you should check are your airspeed, your oral cavity, and air direction, up or down on that imaginary line in front of your face. But if none of that works, experiment with tiny adjustments side to side or by pushing your right hand forward slightly. Experiment with these micro changes while sustaining an easy note like a middle register D, and stop when you like the sound best. I hope these tips help you to achieve your best tone. Of course, it's important to listen to beautiful professional playing regularly too, so that you have a model sound in your ear that you want to copy. Who are your favorite tone models on flute? Share your heroes in the comments below, and thanks for watching.